Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mule channel. My name is Colton. Today we'll be doing a video on Birds of Prey and Gamespot. Because this is a crazy article from Gamespot. You just read it right there. Birds of Prey nearing 200 million globally, which is more than double its budget. That's not how business works. That's not how the movie business works. The revenue is not 200 million. That's before they give their cut to the theater, which is usually half. So Birds of Prey has 100 million in revenue on an 85 million budget, plus they did reshoots, and they probably spent at least 50 to 100 million on marketing. They have not broken even yet. Eddie McCush of GameSpot, you are a shill. You are absolutely a shill. Birds of Prey, or Harley Quinn Birds of Prey, depending on what your cinema is calling it, is closing in on another box office milestone. The movie added another 4 million in North America this weekend. That is a really low number. And more from international markets to push the movie's total to 188 million globally, meaning it should reach 200 million over the next weekend or two. 200 million for a superhero movie is absolutely terrible. Birds of Prey is 2020's fourth largest movie so far, trailing Sonic, 1917, and Bad Boys for Life. This is DC Comics. It's been around for 85 years. According to reports, Birds of Prey carried a gross budget of 97 million. But that came down to 84 million thanks to the tax credits in California. Did you know that? Where the movie was filmed. Some sources dispute this, as Variety reported that the budget was actually closer to 100 million due to elaborate sets and CGI. It was over budgeted. When they make this comparison, the budgets for all these other movies were all more. So if the budget's more, that means the box office has been more because reasons. According to Variety, Birds of Prey will need to make 100 million in North America and 300 million worldwide to break even. Another 100 million. Exactly. They still have to make another $100 million in a movie that's dramatically losing theaters, that's in about 5th place every weekend. They have a 0% chance of making another $100 million. This is a shill write-up from Eddie McCush at GameSpot. The title is a lie and is fake news. All these paragraphs are fake news trying to pump up this movie. Why? Why do people defend this movie? It's a feminist movie about hating men. All the men are killed. All the women are good. A man is a cuckold in the movie. The villains are all dead. They're all misogynist, evil men because men are like evil. This movie is a complete disaster, and it doesn't need any propping up from anyone. Eddie McCush, you are a fool. That's this video. Just a quick video. I saw this article and I was like, what is going on? Why is this person defending this movie? This movie was trash. The numbers say it was trash. A superhero movie in today's numbers should be doing like 700 million. If Venom did over 800 million, Birds of Prey should have done 600 million. And it's barely going to do 300 million. Actually, it's not going to do 300 million. It's going to do like 220 million. It was a complete and utter disaster. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.